Abbas says no election without Gaza and East Jerusalem. Palestine martyred by Israeli forces in West Bank. Jordan to retake lands leased to Israel. Turkey and Russia completes fourth joint patrol in North Syria. Less than 600 US troops to remain in Syria, top general. 198 SNA martyred fighting YPG PKK terrorists in North Syria. Iraq 319 killed in anti-government protests since October 1. Germany to take back Daesh suspect from Turkey. Gambia files Rohingya genocide case against Myanmar. Cyclone Bulbul kills 22 in Bangladesh and India. Pakistan Navy ships arrives in Turkey for drill. Babri mosque ruling no model for other claims, India.